It's Tuesday and it's still raining. Everything's so green because it keeps raining and the sun hasn't come out yet. So headed to Boulder to my chiropractic appointment, and then the plan for today is to stop by the gym and then get some soreness going and come back here and ride indoors. So it's still raining outside. It's well now 10 o'clock at night. I was on this bike earlier today. Did standing start, mimicked efforts, heavy resistance, working on generating smooth power quickly. As you can see down here, not a lot of shoes. Kind of playing around with cycling shoes that I've had for a while that I haven't used, and I've got new straps. You can see here, these straps are actually Velcro, really strong, so there's no buckles to be able to break, similar to what the German team's using. So this piece comes over this piece. Let's see if I can get this. Probably have to edit. Double-sided Velcro comes on there. We got another one. Let's be able to strap over, and then more Velcro strap. Really thick stuff too. Straps over here. Kind of like a seat belt for your feet. So even though I use the Shimano SPD system, these are actually old Dura-Ace pedals that I use so that I can use for a spinning bike. Sometimes bad things happen, and you want to be making sure that you don't come out of your pedals on velodrome, because quite simply the bike doesn't stop pedaling. So if you're only connected by one pedal, bad things can happen in a hurry. So it's nice to have that sort of safety belt that hugs your feet. So, finishing up an hour, watching some, oh, that's good, watching some YouTube, and just passing the time, getting in the work. Hopefully tomorrow, we'll see, tomorrow's Thursday, I go back to Boulder, get more physical therapy done. I hear I'm making progress, I feel a little bit better. So it's all subjective, I suppose. Had a great gym workout yesterday. Heavy deadlifts. Getting the work in. This is kind of a boring week after last week. Had a lot of fun last week. Seems that this week with the rain every day, today temperatures were only in the 40s. So kind of wondering if it's ever going to dry out. Everyone here is getting kind of antsy. Seems like it's Inverness or Portlandia all over for the Rocky Mountain region, but hey, beats being on fire. So just done here at Boulder Soul Chiropractic. Got another adjustment, and it's still kind of spitting rain.
Oh,
Thursday evening. It's here 8:40. Just done with another hour here. Lovely view of my below ground training studio. Got a good sweat. See, a little bit going there, a little bit all over the bike. I don't know if you can see that one, but it's good. Chose not to ride outside today. By the time I got things going around this afternoon, it was still about 45 degrees and kind of misty. So got a good workout in here. Breakfast time. It's Friday and it's still raining. It's been raining now for I don't know how long, but looks like I am driving. So we're headed to, guess where? Yep, going to the gym. I'm gonna get in the usual hour on an exercise bike and a little bit of total body conditioning weights, just like I have been, and try to stay sore. I think being sore is a good thing. At least it seems to keep me focused and lets me know that I'm doing stuff. Whoa! Just done with my hour on the exercise bike, a little bit of weight training. And look, there's something weird color above the clouds. I'm not quite sure what it is. It's the weekend. I'm outside on a bicycle. Finally, got a little break in the rain. So just getting out for about an hour or so here on the bike path. Trying not to be so sore from the exercise yesterday. And it's rather nice. It's a little chilly. It's kind of like winter in Houston, except for it's almost June here in the Mile High City. But it's nice to have a break in the rain. And the guy looks pretty fit. Anyway, so the plan for today is to not be so sore and then head to the gym. Just kind of play it by the ears and see how it feel. Not really forcing anything, but if the motivation comes and the legs feel good, maybe get in a couple efforts and staying open and not staying so sore. So parts of this trail are flooded as well. Figured I'd stop here. Morning. And give you a little bit of footage of the falls. Got one of these days we're gonna have a day with no rain. I suppose it's better than, like I said before, it's better than the whole state being on fire like it was a few years ago. California, at least the guys are racing out there and staying dry, but they got nothing to drink. So thinking with all this water, someone's going to be making a lot of beer here in Colorado. Probably Telluride Brewing Company. There's a sponsored plug for you. If you have microbrew tastes, check out Telluride Brewing. Available in cans. Great for post-ride recovery drink, as they say, and celebration. All right, that's the end of this clip. I gotta get back on the thing here. I guess that's one way to take your new bike to the shop to get it built up. Put it in a box, strap that box to your back, and ride.
Now
That's
the
awesome.
sun is out. Kinda.
See? Got a blue sky, sunshine, and
Over there, dark. This is west. So the storms are moving in. This is a water bottle full of scratch labs. So, headed to the gym. Need to get a little bit more exercise today. So it's the end of another week and had my fill of rain, that's for sure. Thanks for watching, everybody. Of course, as usual, give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Feel free to share. Check out the links in the description box below. You can also subscribe, of course, to the channel. New videos coming out every Monday. This next week is the last week of May. The local race season here in Colorado is going to be getting started, first of all, next Tuesday at the United States Olympic Training Center velodrome down in Colorado Springs. Weather permitting, and God willing, I'll be there, and we'll see how the old man fitness is. And then, of course, Boulder Valley Velodrome was supposed to open last Thursday, got rained out. I'll probably be up there in a couple of weeks. Got some other things going on, but looking forward to drying out a little bit and getting outside and just seeing how the fitness is and giving myself a little checkup, a little test. So again, thanks for watching. Support all the links, and thank you again, sponsors, and look for me next week. Time for superfood. Woo.